How to download and play Bully Anniversary Edition on Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, since this is an Android, go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and then simply search for Bully Anniversary. And then since here you can see this app is not available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android, what you can do is delete the updates or you can download it from your Google. See if you can find the version that matches your Android version. So simply search for Bully Anniversary Edition. If your device matches with the version of the game, you can easily download it from your Play Store and play it. If not, go to Google and see for its official site and then download the version that best matches your device, and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.